In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax in Freshbooks. Freshbooks is a fantastic tool for small businesses to handle their invoicing and accounting. Let me guide you through the process step by step to ensure your sales tax is set up correctly and efficiently. First, you'll want to log into your Freshbooks account. Once you're in, head over to the Invoices section. Here, you have the option to create a new invoice or open an existing draft if you have one. This is where you'll add the details about the goods or services you're selling to your clients. As you add your line items, you might notice that there's an option just below labeled Add Taxes. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll input the name of the tax you want to apply, like sales tax, and specify the rate that applies to your transactions. For example, if the sales tax rate in your area is 5%, you would enter that here. One neat feature of FreshBooks is the ability to save this tax configuration for the next time you create an invoice. Just check the box that says, Save this tax for next time. If you need to apply multiple tax rates, FreshBooks allows for that flexibility too. Once you've entered all the relevant details, click on Apply Taxes. FreshBooks will automatically do the math for you, calculating and adding the sales tax to the invoice total. It's really that simple. While setting up sales tax, there are a few important things to consider. First and foremost, know your tax obligations. It's crucial to determine the correct sales tax rate based on both your location and that of your customer. Sales tax rules can be different for online versus in-person sales and can vary widely depending on state and local laws. It's always a good idea to double-check these details. Remember, sales tax isn't revenue. When you collect sales tax, you're doing so on behalf of the tax authority. It's not to be mixed with your business's revenue. This is a common area of confusion, but keeping it separate will help you stay organized. Given the complexity of tax laws, it's wise to consult a tax professional. They can provide you with advice tailored to your specific situation, ensuring you're applying the correct rates and complying with all necessary regulations. FreshBooks also offers useful tools like the Sales Tax Summary Report, which helps you track all the sales tax you've collected. This report can be invaluable when it comes time to prepare your filings. By following these steps and keeping these considerations in mind, you can set up and manage sales tax in FreshBooks like a pro. Remember, having your sales tax set up properly can help you avoid future headaches and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.